What's up everyone, it's Kadi with MoneyVest. So in this video, I wanted to go over a really important lesson. And again, this is going to be a presentation style video that's probably going to help you a lot in your mentality and your mindset when it comes to investing and trading. So these are a little bit of a different format videos, which I did one of these earlier, which you guys really seem to love and enjoy. And there's a lot of comments of more videos like these. So I figured I'd do another one going over the most important sort of lesson learned when it comes to trading and investing. I mean, there's a lot of really most important things, and that's why it's very difficult to kind of pinpoint, okay, this is the most important, and that's not. Everything is the most important, right? Because trading and investing, if it were easy, everyone would be successful. The fact that very few people can do it consistently well is the reason why it's also very difficult, and it's a very competitive sort of industry to be in. So hope you all enjoy this video and find it helpful. If you do, make sure that you drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. And link to our Discord and Patreon is going to be down below if you're interested in joining. There is a 16% annual discount that's available till the end of this month. So in January of 2024, we got 3 more spots left if you're interested in joining. And also, a lot of the stuff that I'm going over in these videos, like these educational videos, we've got a full course on psychology of investing in markets, so you can check that out as well with the link down below. It's got a lot more tutorials, a lot more educational, a lot more presentation style videos that is really going to change your mind on how you think about money, markets, and investing. So there's a lot of stuff here that is not even on YouTube or anywhere. Like, this is experience of almost 10 years of investing, trading, making every mistake in the book, reading a lot of books. So a lot of the stuff is also covered here. So definitely do check out, and the course curriculum is going to be there with the link down below. So the greatest lesson learned, in the world of trading investing is going to be that money is secondary. And the reason why I say money is secondary is because our focus as investors and traders should always be on one thing, and that is focusing on our craft, right? What is our craft? Our craft at the end of the day is analysis and understanding of high quality businesses and companies and high quality trade setups with very good risk reward trade-offs. That's it. That is our craft, right? And the reason why trading, investing, and being a trader or being an investor is so different than any other profession out there is because this profession right here, being a trader or being an investor and managing your own money, managing your portfolio, is directly tied to money, right? Directly tied to money. That's exactly why it comes back to why money always needs to be secondary. It's something that is not the primary goal, not the primary motive of what you're doing, okay? Let me say that again. Money should always be secondary. It should never be the primary focus of what you're doing and why you're doing it. So what I need you to guys focus on is your craft, okay? You could be the best swing trader. You could be the best options trader. You could be the best day trader. You could be the best investor. The idea is to focus on the craft. The money will follow. And let me give you a simple example, right? And why this is so different than any other profession out there. So I've just taken 3 random professions, right? Athletes, chefs, and doctors. Now, what is similar to these people right here versus traders and investors? How are they different, right? Why are they in a different color? Why are they the odd one out? And the reason is because if you think about the primary versus secondary, right? What do athletes really focus on? They don't focus on making money. They focus on becoming really good athletes, right? They focus on becoming athletic. They focus on becoming fit. They focus on becoming the best they could possibly be in their particular sport, right? The money then follows. It's secondary. Chefs, once again, they focus on new recipes, right? There's a creative element to it. They focus on becoming the best cook. They focus on becoming the most creative cook. They focus on becoming the most hardworking cook and being the best chef there is. Money follows later. It's secondary. Doctors, once again, they focus on becoming the best doctors, studying hard to learn different techniques, learn innovation, learn all these different things to become the best doctors, and the money follows. Traders and investors, our goal directly is tied to actually making money. So that's why we sometimes get fixated on making money as opposed to making trades or investments that could benefit us long term. Money will follow, right? That's something that we can agree that it will follow. It will come, right? Only if we shift our focus, right? And shifting our focus simply means that when you are investing, focus on the best, highest quality companies and businesses. That's the main goal. That's the main idea of why we're investing, is because we're investing in companies that we want to be a part of, their mission, their vision, right? Whatever they're trying to accomplish, whatever problems they're solving, we want to be a part of that company, right? The money will come. Okay, that is secondary. That's exactly the whole reason why we need to focus on our craft. I'd much rather have you focus on finding the best quality companies and the best businesses that are solving incredible problems, than rather than just focusing on companies that could potentially make money. Okay. Yes, I mean, there's a fundamental analysis and an element of fundamental analysis to that, right? But the only way we focus on finding the best, highest quality companies and the businesses that are solving problems is by going through and understanding what they're actually doing, understanding their moat, understanding their management, understanding their, mission, understanding their fundamentals, all that stuff, right? So investing, it's really important to keep, again, money is secondary, focusing on your craft, which is analyzing, understanding, and finding the best, highest quality companies and businesses. With trading, it's finding and focusing on the best, highest quality trade setups with excellent risk reward. And again, money will come. Our idea is, and this right here is a very good rule number one. I'm going to go over all these rules, but very good idea is to trade well, not to make money. Again, trade to trade well, invest to invest well, not to make money. Money will follow. Right? Focus on your craft, focus on the skill, and money will follow is what I'm trying to say here in this video. And this right here, Alexander Elder says, the goal of successful trader is not to make the best. The goal of successful trader is to make the best trades. Money is secondary. Okay? And that's exactly what I'm trying to go over in this video. As a trader, is essential to understand that trading is 90% mindset and 10% skill. A trader's mindset has the power to make or break their success in the market. Having the right mindset can help traders become more effective in their approach to trading, while having the wrong mindset can result in costly mistakes. In this blog post, of course, we have discussed, having the right mindset is a key to becoming a successful trader or investor. So these are the rules. These are the 5 rules. Shout out to Stephen Burns on Instagram for sharing these with us. But I really wanted to go over these simple 5 beginner rules that I think are going to really help you in your trading and investing sort of journey, and also allow you to focus on the craft and not so much about making money. Money will follow. Just focus on your craft. Focus on the bigger picture, which is, kind of refining your skills, focusing on your craft, and becoming a better trader investor by looking at these things. So rule number 1, trade and invest to trade and invest well, not to make money. Rule number 2, fiercely protect capital. Capital preservation is key. Capital preservation is really, really important because we've gone through the math, right? The more you lose, the harder it becomes to recover. So fiercely protect capital. Rule number 3, act immediately without hesitation on quality setups and companies. So again, listening to your gut, right? Listen to your instinct, right? You develop that instinct over time as you start to listen more and more of your instinct in your gut, and you sort of kind of tune out all the noise and just act immediately without hesitation. Rule number 4, which is very important, which I've been a culprit of many times, the only thing worse than being wrong is staying wrong. So cut your losers immediately. If you don't feel right, just cut it. Staying wrong is much worse than being wrong. So it's really important to have tight stop loss. It's really important to get rid of an investment or a stock or a trade or whatever if it's not working out according to the plan. Simply plan the trade and trade the plan. And rule number 5, if confused, see rule number 2. That is to say, fiercely protect capital. If you're not 100% convinced in any particular idea or stock or company, simply protect capital. There is no cost to sitting on the sidelines. Maybe there's some opportunity cost, but you'd be thankful if that trade idea did not work out and you did not invest in it because you were sitting on the sidelines, because you were confused, you were not 100% convinced. So if you're not 100% convinced, if you're not fully, your instinct's not telling you that this is the move, if you're confused, fiercely protect capital, right? You can also, there's always, doing nothing is also a trade, okay? So there you have it. Just wanted to go over some of these rules, some of these sort of really important sort of lesson here that I've learned over time is that money is secondary. It will follow if you focus on the right things. And that is to say, just focus on high quality setups, businesses, companies that are solving, great world problems. And at the end of the day, as they do well, as they progress, income and money and revenue and profits will follow eventually. So hope you all enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Make sure that you drop a like. Don't forget, there's also a full course curriculum, psychology of investing, money and markets that's available with the link down below. There's a lot more stuff just like this, presentation style, educational stuff with the link down below. And as always, happy investing. I'll see you all in the next video.